You are a white sheet of paper on which any outlines and any shapes can be drawn, and to cross all kinds of borders. And you are the same sheet rolled into a cylinder, the beginning of which coincides with the end, a Klein bottle. One illustrates your duality and the other your infinity. At the same time, both are the same. And everything you see around and everything you perceive is just a picture from the infinite sheet of paper. The awareness of the whole picture, its grandeur and beauty, its perfection, we called the Cogitality effect.
To exist, to be. Existence itself creates a problem of two singularities that combine the whole. The task is to serve as you will, as you are. These are obstacles for you and only yourself. But there is a positive side, of course. If you want to release, you need to release all the connections, all the pain, all the struggle, and move forward. Keep going until there is a sign of manifestation there. You will know it, you will find it, it will echo you. What is choice? What is matter? Choice defines matter, defines a holographic pattern, fraction, tool that creates this illusionary form of matter that you call a manifestation. The fractal choice is everywhere. The fractal universe, the fractal galaxy, and the fractal inside you. This is the message from today. Never forget that the power within you is the power of the entire unity consciousness of all there is. Do not be mistaken and take this for granted. Relieve yourself from the pain and the struggles. Relieve yourself from the pain and the struggles. There is not a single thing that you can do in order to make someone choose whatever you wish. It is only their right. Never make excuses about existence itself. Every choice matters. Every detail of existence matters. This is the core of existence itself. You cannot exclude different parts of existence. It is everywhere. It is any time. It is any moment. The figures you see now will determine the two possible future variations of planet's Earth. One is essentially growing, the other is catastrophic. But still, with a chance for growth. You must inform humanity about what is going to happen, about the choice, about the validation of the choice and the importance of each personal, individual, and collective choice about life on Earth itself. Humanity needs focus and attention. Humanity needs choices. Humanity needs to choose from all possible angles and focus on the desired reality. When things are starting to fall apart while others are growing as new as never done before, pick a side, choose. There's no mistakes in the choices you made, but you must make a choice. Do not withstand, do not stay and do things that don't matter for the environment around you. Do choices. Do with choices. You fix pain, you fix anxiety and deep struggle with changing the frequency of your parallel reality, changing the whole reality with your choices. They're always important, like the important moments of a time clock which tick-tocks every single moment of existence. There are no unimportant seconds on a time clock. Then why would you think that they're unimportant moments of existence?